If you're a full stack developer drowning in file upload chaos, juggling multi part uploads, virus scanners, and cloud storage APIs just to get a single image processed, you're not alone. Our pack crushes complexity with battle tested solutions. Built in multi part upload orchestration with chunked stream handling, automatic image optimization pipelines using WebP compression, pre signed URL generation with AWS S3 and Cloudflare R2 compatibility, and real time virus scanning powered by CLAM-AV integration. Whether you're a backend engineer wrestling with Node.js buffers, a DevOps lead automating CI CD pipelines, or a security focused architect validating MIME types, this pack becomes your secret weapon. Let's just say your upload folder is about to become a 5-star hotel for files. Here's what's inside the File Upload System Pack. Data preparation with smart chunking strategies that handle 10 gigabyte plus files. Image processing modules for automatic EXIF stripping and responsive thumbnail generation. Pre-signed URL orchestration layer supporting both AWS SDK v3 and Azure Blob Storage. Real-time virus scanning with async callback hooks. Cloud storage abstraction layer that works seamlessly across S3, GCP, and local MinIO. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks showing 3x faster throughput, and progress checklists for GDPR compliance. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your new upload command center. Installing the File Upload System Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add file-upload-pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: upload orchestration engine, image processing workers, and security validation middleware, all 12 modules. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically, and your AI assistant now understands terms like chunked upload restart and virus scan quarantine. Warning: side effects include sudden urges to refactor legacy upload code and unexplained happiness when handling PDFs. Welcome to frictionless file infrastructure.